Okay, let's talk about Gmail. I'm going to just talk a little bit about what you can do and use in Gmail to help you organize yourself and connect with your teachers. So the first thing when you come into Gmail that you can do is you can write an email to a teacher. To do that, you click on the Compose, and a box will appear in the upper or in the bottom right-hand corner. Then you can select who you're going to write to. The nice thing about your Google account through the school is that all of your teacher emails are already saved, and so it's really easy to find them. So if I wanted to write an email to Mrs. Replogle, I just start typing in her name, and it will appear right here. I can click on it, and now I know it's going to go to her. The next thing you'll put in is a subject, and I'm just going to put in my subject sample email for Google Apps videos. And then I can write her little notes. When you are emailing teachers especially, you still want to be somewhat professional in what you write. So you're going to want to do some sort of greeting. So I put, "Hi, Mrs. Replogle," and then I can just type her a little message. "I am Okay, so again, you want to end just as respectfully as you began, with a "sincerely" in your name, or at the very least, give us your first and last name so we know who you are. You also want to make sure you're using nice grammar. When you finish the email, you just click the send button, and that email will be sent to that person. So I'm actually going to send this to Mrs. Replogle, and then I can see, if I come over here, I can click on my sent mail, and here is that email again. I can open it up, and I can see what I sent to her. And then if she responds, it gives me the option to reply right in that email itself. So that's one major thing I want to show you within email, is just how to compose. The other thing I want to show you is the Tasks tab. When you click on the Tasks tab, a little box appears on the side. And you can see I've got a lot of things I'm working on right now. But this is a really good tool to help you organize. And so what you can do is actually make new lists, as many lists as you want. So student to do, you can create a new tab, and then you can put in here any homework you have to do or things that you just want to remember. And then you can, as you complete them, you can check them off, just like I've done here, and then you can delete them to clean up. So I've already done this. I've checked it off. I can trash it. And right now I'm working on the technology survey and the Google intro. So once I'm finished with that, I can check it off. It's a really easy way to help you stay organized. That is Gmail, and those are really the two appropriate ways that you can use your Gmail to connect with your teachers. The other way you can connect with teachers is through the chat, and you can see that I will sometimes communicate with Mrs. Replogle, and I've communicated with other students. But this is an easy way. Also, if you have a quick question and you see that I'm available, you can send me a quick message that way as well. If you have any other questions about Gmail, you can see me, or you can go to the Google Classroom page to look for some more resources.